Welcome to BTC SHARE. In this video, we'll show you how to buy RBTC using the decentralized exchange SideShift.ai. Tip: you can pause the video at any time to follow the steps in parallel. Click the SafePal icon in your browser and enter your password to unlock your wallet. Click on Connect Wallet, then click on SafePal. Tip: if you're using a different wallet, simply click on the name of your respective wallet. Once your wallet is successfully connected, your wallet address will be displayed. Click the token symbol under the USIN section to select the currency you want to exchange for RBTC. Click on the currency available in your wallet to proceed. Tip: use the search function to quickly find a specific currency. Now click the token symbol in the You Receive section to select the currency you want to receive. In the search bar, type RBTC and then click on Rootstock RBTC. Click the button Get Address from SafePal. Tip: if you're using another wallet, click Get Address instead. Click on Shift, then click on Send from Wallet. Enter the amount you want to exchange for RBTC. Tip: pay attention to how much RBTC you will receive. You'll need enough to cover both the Slot 1 purchase and transaction fees. For Slot 1, you'll need around 0.00015 RBTC, including fees. If the correct network is not selected in your wallet, click Switch Network. If the correct network is already selected, click Send from Wallet. Your SafePal wallet will open automatically. Confirm the transaction by clicking the blue Continue button. Once the swap has been successfully initialized, you'll see the notification Successfully Sent Transaction at the bottom right of your screen and Transaction Sent, waiting for confirmation, in the center. As soon as the swap is completed, you'll see Shift Completed. Congratulations! The RBTC you purchased are now in your wallet. You're now ready to begin your BTC Share journey and activate your first slot. We'll see you in the next video. BTC Share onboarding, registration. See you soon.